The classic battle between good and evil. Who will our teacher choose? The angel or the devil? Miss Smith is late to class. Ouch! You jerk! So rude! Good morning, class! Hold on. Who are those new kids at the back? Are they exchange students? What? There's no one there. Let's check the tests. Hand them in. I'll check them quick. Miss Smith! Don't fix the mistake so fast. Here, take an angel feather. It only gives high grades. Roll out white polymer clay on parchment paper. Put a long feather on it. Press it with your fingers to leave an imprint. Smooth it out with a rolling pin. Cut the feather out with a utility knife. Put in a ballpoint pen refill. Cover the refill with a strip of clay. Add the strips on the feather with a knife. Bake following the clay package instructions. Coat the feather with Pearly acrylic paint. Thanks for the pen, Angel! All my students actually did great. It's so nice to give them good grades. Hold on, Miss Smith. Take my demonic pen, and you'll see that the students aren't so smart after all. Divide red polymer clay into 3 parts and shape a pitchfork. Bake it in an oven. Glue a ballpoint pen to the end of the pitchfork. The devil persuades Miss Smith to be the strictest teacher. They don't deserve high grades. Look, these answers are wrong. Let's fix all the high grades. Come on, draw a big fat F. Yeah! Whoops! What's wrong with me? Class, here are your results. Students, Miss Smith already made coffee for herself and is ready to start the exciting lecture. And I was so excited about that lecture, too. Oh no, my beautiful notebook. Now it's ruined forever. Come on, Angel, do something nice. This is your job. Don't worry, Miss Smith. When an old notebook is gone, a new one comes instead. Oh, how cute! Coat the cover of a notebook with white acrylic paint. Cover it with yellow acrylic paint. Draw a spiral in the center with pink paint. Add shades with a thin brush. Draw contours of different school supplies, formulas, and grades. Color them with acrylic paint. Add matching stickers. Also add stickers to the pages of the notebook. Lightly burn the edges of the pages with a lighter. But the devil also wants to contribute to the gift. Let's add some fire! Oh no! Fire! I'll help! Let's put out this demonic fire! Thanks, Angel! I can handle it myself! I'll give you an A+. Oh no! There's a mistake! I'll have to fix it! Checking tests is so time-consuming and boring! There is so much work! Miss Smith, I'll make your life easier! Just stamp the bad grades with a new stamp. Cut an F out of an eraser. Glue it to a big black eraser. Put a round piece of foam rubber in a container like this and soak it with red ink. Cover the container with a lid and add a devil sticker. Try it! It's so easy! Dip the stamp into the demonic ink. And here it is, the lowest grade! Yeah! Come on, Miss Smith! Don't stop! Let Everyone failed this demonic exam! This is so much fun! Today, we're painting a landscape. Look closer! The details are important. This is so boring! Now I'll show you how to use bright paints to represent all the shades. What's that? What happened to my paints? Who did this? This is a colorful prank from the demon. He swapped all the paints for his favorite colors, red and black. It has the underworld's most stylish colors. Fill paint containers with red and black acrylic paint. Attach printed devil stickers. Here it is, the perfect palette. I refuse to keep teaching. This is painting madness. Come on, Angel, do something. I need to come up with something white and soft, like my feather. Here's your new sketchbook. Cut out a sketchbook to shape a wing. Coat the cover with white primer. Use a sponge. Attach white feathers on top. Whoa, so soft! I'll try drawing something nice in the angelic sketchbook. Oh, it's a miracle! The demonic paints are turning back to their true colors on the angelic pages. The world is colorful again. The devil lost. Thanks, Angel! Miss Smith made a mistake in an important document. Oh no! I need help from the higher powers right now! Thanks, Angel! Whiteout will come in handy. Oh no! What is this black liquid? Take the contents out of a tube of whiteout using a syringe. Pour the whiteout into a container. Add black ink. Stir it well. Fill a syringe with the mixture. And pour the black whiteout back into the tube. Attach a demonic label. Black whiteout? Is this some kind of curse? That devil is acting up again! Today is such a stressful day for Miss Smith. How do I help her? I know what she needs! My angelic halo! Wrap a strip of foam rubber around a wire. Fasten it with hot glue. Join the wire to make a ring. Attach a piece of wire to it. Fasten another wire ring to the other end of the piece. That'll be a holder for the head. Decorate the foam rubber with gold rubber paint. Sprinkle with a lot of glitter on top. Miss Smith, this is for you! A stress-relieving halo! It brings positive thoughts back into your head. Oh, thanks! Wow, it actually works! I'm so relaxed! Miss Smith, wake up! Are you okay? I've seen them somewhere. Right, I hit my head, so it means it was all just a dream? Did you like our angel and devil? Then comment below and tell us who controls your teacher. Angels or demons? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new videos from Troom.